Manufacturing Resource Planning, also known as MRP II, is a system used by factories to plan and manage all manufacturing resources. In simple words, MRP II equals planning everything needed to make products. Manufacturing resource planning helps manage raw materials, machines, workers, time, money. It makes sure that everything is available at the right time. MRP II helps a company to reduce waste, avoid delays, control costs, improve production efficiency. It helps the factory work smoothly and systematically. A factory makes chairs. To make chairs, the factory needs wood, nails, machines, workers. MRP II plans how much wood is needed, when machines will be used, how many workers are required. Plan customer demand, plan production schedule, plan materials, plan labor and machines. Control costs. Think of cooking food at home. Before cooking, you plan ingredients, time, gas, money. That planning is similar to MRP II in factories. MRP II is more advanced than simple MRP. It includes materials, people, machines, and finance. MRP II helps factories plan production. It manages all manufacturing resources. It saves time and money.